Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best value stud finders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Tavool Stud Finder Sensor Wall Scanner. We will start our list with one of the budget-friendly as well as multifunctional stud finders. It also happens to be the most popular option on this list because of its functionality. Coming in the first position, we have this stud finder. This is a 4-in-1 stud finder that supports up to 1.77 inches of wall thickness. As for its functionality, this stud finder has 4 different scanning modes designed for woods, beams, joists, and metals. It can also detect AC wires and other objects present deep inside the walls. As for the accuracy of the machine, you don't have to worry about this device. It has been designing stud finders for generations now, and it has perfected the scanning technique by including advanced sensors on this stud finder. On top of that, this stud finder also features an LCD screen that can display the stud material as well as the accurate position of the stud behind the wall. Number 2. Our second best pick is CRAFTSMAN Stud Finder. It is a well-known brand for its high quality as well as an affordable range of power tools and accessories. If you are looking for a cheaper stud finder, then this stud finder will certainly interest you. Our second choice for the best stud finder is also one of the cheapest options available on this list. This stud finder still offers 3/4 inches depth range, which is pretty good for standard drywall. And with this depth range, you can also use this device if you have wallpaper or fabric installed over your wall. This stud finder operates on a single sensor that can detect the edges of the studs. However, there are no compromises made when it comes to the build quality of this stud finder. It is a very durable device featuring a shock-resistant exterior design along with a strong grip on both sides. And since it is an electrical device with LED indicators, CRAFTSMAN also ensures water resistance on this stud finder. Number 3. Our third best pick is VOLURY Stud Finder Wall Scanner. There is a lot of variety available in the market when it comes to advanced electronic stud finders. Out of which, the stud finder designed by VOLURY is one of the feature-rich options. Our third choice for the best stud finders is this stud finder. This is also a 4-in-1 wall scanner that makes up for its price tag. It features 4 scanning modes that can be switched depending on the type of wall you are using or the type of stud you wish to locate. Since it is a powerful electronic stud finder, you will get a depth range of up to 2 inches on this stud finder. On top of that, it includes a graphical LCD display that can pretty much create a perfect image of the stud, offering all necessary information like start position, end position, cross-section, and even center point. Apart from that, the display shows signal strength, calibration, battery indication, and much more. But, you probably won't even need to check the display every time you use this stud finder, as it also has sound cues for when it detects a stud. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Franklin Sensor's Stud Finder. Even though there are a lot of stud finders in the market, there are only a handful of options that are perfect for professional applications. Out of which, the following option is probably the best one. This is probably the most expensive choice you will find on our list of the best stud finders. But since it is a professional device, it offers a wide range of features that you won't find with other options. First of all, it consists of 13 sensors in total that work simultaneously and deliver the precise position of the stud. The multi-sensor technology on this one also eliminates the necessity of calibration altogether. You can also use it to detect multiple studs quickly, which is definitely needed while you are working on a professional project. But even with such a complicated design, using the device is fairly simple. All you will have to do is put the sensor on the wall and press a single button. It can be used for 0.75 to 1.5 inches thick walls and works on 2 AA batteries. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is the StudBuddy Magnetic Stud Finder. If you are wondering if you could find a stud finder that does not use batteries or any other external power source for that matter, you are in luck. This stud finder will certainly interest you despite being a simple option. Instead of wasting quite a sum on an advanced stud finder that you will barely need in the future, you can make do with cheaper alternatives such as this stud. It is the simplest option on our list since it does not require any batteries or external power to operate. It comes with a built-in powerful magnet that acts as a detector for studs in your walls. All you will have to do is slide the unit across the wall and wait until it sticks to the wall, getting attracted to the metallic stud. And even if you want to use it to find wooden studs, you can do that as it will still get attracted to metallic nails and screws holding the wooden studs together. But the depth range of this stud finder is very limited and it is only suitable for drywalls. Since you won't be needing any batteries to power this device, its lifespan is technically endless. And on top of that, it is considerably compact compared to other options and can be used by anyone. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.